Welcome to another version of Lou's Redos. Keeping up with recent wackiness in the kitchen, I'm going to continue today. So, last week I had buffalo wings.
Which were really good.
Which were really good, yes, I do them well. And I said, wait a minute, I have a problem with this.
With wings?
Not with the wings, calling them buffalo wings. So I decided I'm going to make freedom wings.
You're going to let freedom wing?
I'm going to let freedom wing. Yeah, yes, I am. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to make red, white, and blue wings. Woohoo! And this is what we're going to do. Pre-did some wings. Season them to your taste. Again, folks, no rules. However you want them. Excuse me. Do a little pepper, a little garlic powder, a little poultry season. Put them in the oven 45, 50 minutes at 375. You're good to go. You want them a little crispier, leave them in a few minutes longer. If you're frying them, 375, 9 to 12 minutes, you should be good to go. So what I did, the wings were done, so now I had to do a red, white, and blue sauce.
This was the tough part.
This was the difficult part. What I did, let's go red first. I used 2 tablespoons of cranberry sauce. 2 healthy tablespoons of cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce, of course it's healthy.
And then I used good old-fashioned cranberry juice to loosen it. Boil it down, it will thicken up. Now for the heat. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're going to use these little guys right here, please be careful. Chopped up one, put it in the sauce. If you don't want to use the peppers, you could use some cayenne, which I actually did on a batch. I did cayenne pepper.
Don't ask, Dad.
Okay.
Don't even ask.
All right. So what we're going to do, let's show you nice and easy how that comes about. While we're waiting for that to heat up, what I did for the white, 3 tablespoons coconut oil, about equal amounts of honey in the pan. I used white pepper for here, and we're going to give you a sampling. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a couple of wings, we're going to throw them in the sauce. I have more done already, and I'm going to show you the end result in a little bit. So I just want to give you the idea of how this works. With the coconut, I'm only going to put 1 in here, and there's a reason. Again, all we're doing is coconut oil and some honey, and then once we have that nice and coated, we're going to drop it in some coconut flakes. I personally have a little bit of issue with coconut. It doesn't sit very well with me.
No, it does not.
No, it does not. But we are doing this not just for me. We're doing it for a reason. Here we go. Shut that off. The Red Wings are done.
They play in Detroit.
And they're done.
Yeah, the hockey's been over for a little bit, Dad.
Yeah. For the blue, I used blueberry jam. I also used some blueberry juice. Reduce the jam, same way you did with the cranberry sauce. Add the juice. It'll thicken up. I am not making any because I don't need it to finish my end result. But it's the same process. You're going to get the same type of sauce. In here, I used the green pepper instead of the orange because I didn't want the lighter color. And that's all done, folks. So I'm going to finish that in a moment. I'm just going to keep the camera where it is. Don't move it yet.
Of course, yeah.
I'm placing the last 2 wings on the finished product. I'll be right back.
It's a mystery. You know people are going to get on you for saying, oh, blueberry's not really blue, blah, 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 blah.
Blueberry is not... Blueberry is not blue. And you'll find out when you try making this. I did cheat a little bit. I put a little blue food coloring in.
But that's okay.
But that's okay.
You know why?
No rules. So don't forget, coconut oil, honey, 3 tablespoons of each. Heat it. Toss your cooked wings in there. Then put them in your shredded coconut, and that'll give you your white. What we're going to do here, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to finish. Hold on 1 second. We're going to do a little bit of lime juice. Ouch, on the cranberry. I can't catch a break here, Cole.
Nope.
Just a little bit.
You need yeah, I was just going to say, get a fork or something.
There we go. And just, it'll also work a little bit on the coconut if you like.
You
So
put the
you
lime
go over, it doesn't matter. This is the lime.
on the coconut,
The lime on the coconut.
and you don't shake it all up, but you muddle it, make it work.
Okay, so that's how we're going to finish this off. Lemon with the blueberry.
We got a seed right there. I
Yeah.
see it from here. Whatever.
We buried it.
It's lost. Lost in the sea of blueberry wings.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Freedom Wings. If you like, please like us, share us, subscribe. Good cooking, and happy 4th of July.
That looks really good, Dad. God bless America.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I'd thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the